Hello, friends. Welcome to Discuss in Class, where we explore real life learning experiences. Today, we'll talk about a group of students aged 7 to 8 who are learning to use WordPad for their computer class. They've been asked to write a short letter to a friend, but some of them are having a few challenges. Let's help them out. The students are excited to use WordPad to write letters, but some are facing challenges. One student is struggling with how to correct mistakes, and another doesn't know how to save their work. Let's talk about what WordPad is and how it can help them. Alright, class, can anyone tell me what WordPad is used for? We use WordPad to write things on the computer, like stories or letters. That's right, Arya. WordPad is a program that helps us type on the computer. It's great for writing stories, letters, or even homework assignments. You can type your words neatly and even change the way they look. Now, does anyone remember how to open WordPad on your computer?
You click on the Start button, then type WordPad in the search bar.
Exactly, Rohan. You can find WordPad by clicking the Start button and typing WordPad in the search bar. Once you see it, just click to open it, and you're ready to start typing. What should we do if we make a mistake while typing? How can we fix it? We can use the backspace key to erase the letters we don't want. That's correct, Meera. The backspace key is used to erase letters or words when you make a mistake. Just press it, and you can fix anything you typed wrong. Now, class, why is it important to save your work in WordPad? So we don't lose it if the computer turns off or something. Exactly, Kavita. Saving your work is very important. If something happens, like the computer turning off or freezing, you don't want to lose your letter. How do we save our work? We click on the File menu and then click on Save. That's right. You can save your work by clicking on the File menu, choosing Save, and giving your file a name. Then, your letter will be safely stored on the computer, and you can come back to it anytime. Thanks for joining us today. We've learned how WordPad can help us write, fix mistakes, and save our work easily. See you in the next video, and keep exploring with your computer.